Dude, I heard the 1-2 or the 2-3 shift. I was like, whoo-hoo.
Trying to break the stock blower record for CL1s today. Current record to beat is 889. Now the fastest stock blower car is the C7Z. They're obviously a bit lighter, easier to go faster. That one's 869, I think, so.
Boy.
So what are you thinking happened? Rear main?
Yeah. Hopefully it ain't too bad 'cause I want to keep running it. But it didn't shift either, so I don't know what's going on with that.
152 though, damn.
High profile customer.
High profile right here. Kong is sweeping the track.
Dude, we're hooking and booking.
We don't just do blowers, ladies and gentlemen. Damn, boy. That's the one thing we didn't bring in. I say I get a lifetime warranty. We got Stella's car. Let's go grab one of those. I was going 128.
We haven't shown you guys what'll probably be in this video is we went 880. I was not there that day. It was here at MIR, and we were trying to better it. But the new record to break is what? 879? 76? 76? Okay.
Boys, I swear to God.
What happened?
So yeah, we're gonna try to go fast. And not, you know what? I'm not gonna say try. We're gonna go fast.
We're gonna go fast as boy.
I said a conservative 67.
Okay.
Low 60s.
But we're looking to say low 60s.
Dude, I'm saying 850.
Dude, if we go 850, I'm shitting on the track.
Well, this would already have done it, so you don't really need to.
got, baby? Oh, 548 to the 8. What's the DA?
Holy.
1395.
Almost 1400 DA.
God damn.
50 fucking 5! I didn't see the mile an hour. Whoa, it felt good, dude. I was like, I'm running this bitch out the back. Dude, I heard the 1-2 or the 2-3 shift. I was like, whoo! We have the fastest LT4 ever. Fastest fucking run ever, motherfucker! We just not only took the ZL1 record, I think we took the LT4 record. We torched the C7 record too, yes, dude. Sir. Yes, sir. Yes, by 2/10 we took the ZL1 record. So on the first pass.
It ain't over just yet, fellas.
Don't be too
it's got a little bit more in it. So.
That tastes so good, don't it? All that shit talking. All that shit talking. Okay, let's go. Let's find out. What's it say, Bob?
48, baby.
Holy fuck.
Who the fucking is?
Show me that slip right now.
What was the 8?
12260?
840. Was that 46?
Yes, sir.
48.
Hell yeah.
48. What's it say, Bob?
48, baby.
Holy fuck. What was the 8 last time?
548.
42.
Oh.
846.
Was it 46?
Yes, sir.
48.
48.
Hell yeah.
48.
Feel like. But it lost like 2 pounds of boost there in 6th gear. But
It still fucking went way faster.
542.
Oh,
I know it'll go 119.60. I left on him pretty hard on that one. I was like, and I could feel it was up in the air. I don't know if you got a video. It wasn't. It probably wasn't like last year, but
we got video. That looked nice from when I was watching in this tiny little
trans
square.
shift good. I got the Paul still in it. I still got more in this thing for sure. Oh no, he answers big dog.
He don't answer me. But I don't call him either. He answers my Snapchats every time.
542. I'll go 539.
It'll go 39.
Here's the DA.
DA's.
It was 1100 when we were up there.
963.
960. Yeah, it was 1100 on the
Probably
start
dropped
line.
a good bit.
Two meth nozzles in the intake, and
15, son.
that's it.
That's all you need.
That's it.
So we're back at the shop now. It's Tuesday. It's great weather. Wish it was like this yesterday. But how we doing?
Just unloading her.
Pretty
Still
productive
runs.
weekend, huh?
Still runs.
Yes, she does.
Pulled her up in there too. You know?
Yes, sir.
But yeah, I'm happy, man. I'm happy with you guys and what you did. And 840s ain't no slouch. You know, we broke the record by a long shot within the first pass. The first pass we went up and spun, made a shock adjustment, tire pressure adjustment. Went up again, didn't change anything on 855. I was like, okay, I was a little faster than what I thought it'd go. And went back up again and went a 48.
Right.
It says time to load it up, you know. Ain't getting no better than that with that air. Today actually feels really good.
I know, I was just saying on here, I was like, man, I wish it was like this yesterday.
Yeah, I don't know what it is today, but it's definitely way better. And, you know, there's a couple things that we did from last year. Leave on the car. It didn't make us a race car, so it got carpet in it. I got the wing on it still. I hate the look without the wing. Cannot stand it. I literally told myself I'm doing it with the wing on there.
Yeah, for real.
I didn't take it off. We did the race brakes, but to make it a little lighter, it's about the only thing we did from last year to make it light, I guess.
Right.
We'll put the street car bumper back on with the roto fab, and I'll drive it around and put exhaust back on it. So, you know, we spent a lot of time on it this time, and the proper combination. Last year, I just threw it together with our regular heads cam combination, and you know, spun the blower a little harder than what we usually do, and it didn't perform like I wanted it to. It just, we had some issues with the transmission, and built the trans. Cody built the trans right here, and we put a huge shout out to Circle D, because Brady sent me a converter to try, and he did it like several months ago, and I never got a chance to run it. Here we are. It has a Circle D converter in it now, and it's like a prototype deal, and it works fantastic. It's leading in second gear. Menser always, you know, awesome with the shocks. I called him yesterday after the first pass, and he told me, boom, boom. It was literally 2 clicks.
Right.
Put a little bit more air pressure in them, and it got down, you know. So just the customer support there is awesome. Circle D, Mark. I'm trying to get everyone that really
Got TBM for the brakes.
TBM really helped us out on the brakes. Manton did a huge thing on the rockers and push rods for me. I mean, they're awesome to deal with. That's who we deal with our own push rods on all cars we do. In my opinion, probably the best brand out there for, you know, that stuff. LMP, Brian over there is awesome.
Yeah. They definitely helped out.
Yeah.
Helped out with the process, making the headers. I mean.
Yeah, I mean, he definitely helped. Yeah, he definitely. We made our own headers, and we have a plasma table that we cut the flange out on, and we needed some stuff to, you know, get measurements, and he was a great hookup with that. And the heads, he did an awesome job with the heads. Heads performed fantastic. Cam motion also really hooked me up with the cam. Our specs, something off the wall I did, and it works really well.
Got our harness bar in there.
Our harness bar, we're gonna start making them.
We got our catch can.
Our catch can, we're gonna start making them. That was a first for both of those, and it works fantastic. Can't thank Mark Smalls enough for engine stuff. He really hooked it up this time with me, and you know, it's really everyone involved. I know I went on with the list, but I couldn't have done it without everyone, especially you and Fuzz. I mean, you guys stayed late nights trying to get this thing together. Your welding is fantastic, and Fuzz is, you know, he's so thorough with everything.
Yeah, no, it was honestly, it was a good time. Yeah, cool learning experience. You know, a lot of people don't get to see the grind that goes into it, but I mean, you're talking an entire summer, really, that we were behind the scenes, after work, like not even just where we come to work and work on this thing. I mean, you know, we're staying after work to build this car.
Yeah, it's after hours for sure, and weekends. And
we got to put your guys' stuff first, but yeah, no, this has been a grind, and it's just awesome to see it come. And
I didn't really do too much. I feel like, you know.
Nah, we did tell you, you gotta have you on the laptop, man. Come on.
Yeah. But,
assembled the motor.
So, it was my combination, my call for everything. But you know, we did a lot of stuff that people say don't work, and I promise you it does. You know, we have the fastest stock blower LT4 ever, almost by 2/10 now. And I'm pretty sure we have the fastest 2650 car ever, Johnny's 5th gen Camaro. So there's 2 cars right there that run good.
Yeah,
You know,
I mean,
Johnny's car goes 780 literally on cruise control. I mean, that car goes 760, you know, so. Yeah, so it weighs 3,700 with me in it. Like literally 3,700, 0, and you know, that's with the way it sits. So, you know, like I said, we kind of want to put the interior. Really, just got to put the back seat passenger seat.
Yeah, really. We honestly just took it out because I was making that harness bar. I mean,
yeah.
And then just kind of left it out.
Yeah. So, door panels are also in it if you want to show everyone. You know,
Yeah, check it out. It's nothing crazy going on here. Almost at first looks like it's got a little, just a curve.
Back panel's hooked up. That's only because you put the harness bar in it. That's about 5 pounds worth. So, whatever.
So.
I'm really happy with it. And, you know, like I said, I think it'll go 30 something. Yeah. Probably 35. I don't know, somewhere in there.
So definitely stay tuned, everybody, because we're gonna be out here with this thing. This is definitely not it.
Yep.
This is just the start, really.
Yep.
So.
Cool.
See you guys next time.
Yep.